Alright, today let's understand the concept of Git init by doing the hands-on on front end. So Git init in Git is like starting a brand new repository. On GitHub, we do this by going to here the plus icon, that is here we have the new repository. So let's click on new repository. So this is basically the git init command what we do. Now here we got to give a name of the repository. Once after giving the name, that is hello world, since this is kind of the basic, we can give a description as well. This is optional. The mandatory ones, the star ones, these are mandatory, right? Next, we optionally can choose the visibility. It can be either public or private. So for now, let's leave as it is, that is public, as the name suggests, public, right? It will be shown to everyone. Optionally, we can add the README file. Now, when I click create repository, GitHub initializes it for us. It's like running git init locally. And there we go. We are ready with our first repository, that is we have just initiated our command, that is git init. I hope you got the concept of git init from the front end. Let's meet in our next lecture.